after since the official launch of Sunnie's Face, and actually I attended the event yesterday and they kindly gave me all the shades in their first collection, which is the Fluff Matte Lipsticks, and now I am actually going to be reviewing the products. So I'm so excited. I have the products right here at the back, and yesterday actually I've already tried out the shade 143, and so far the formula was so good and it lasted really well. So now I'm going to do the official like proper review because yesterday I just slapped it on my lips. So I got my mirror and some wipes to take the lipstick off because I am going to be trying out all the shades. So if you guys are ready, then let's get started. My dog barked. So this is the PR kit that they kindly gave to me. It's in this like really huge like patent leather-ish material circle bag. I don't know what you call it, but it just says Sunnie's Face and it's super cute, guys, and we're kind of matching with my shirt. So it has a zipper that goes all the way around, so let me open it for y'all. Oh, and I'm very sorry. I don't know if you guys can tell with my voice, but I'm kind of sniffly at the moment because I got a cold. But that's not gonna stop me from doing this review. So, dun dun dun. Wow, so here are the shades. They have 9 shades in total, so okay, so I'm just gonna get these two out of the way first. So this one is like a little poster of Sunnie's Face, and then the other thing is just like a card that says Sunnie's Face, and then it has like a letter thing, so that's really sweet of them. Okay, so these are the shades that the Fluff Matte lipsticks come in. They have 9 different shades. So it has Major, Hot Sauce, Mood, 143, Baked, Girl Crush, Vacay, Milkshake, and Nudist. And I really, really love these shades. I like a lot of these shades, which are like warm kind of tones. And I love them because they definitely suit all skin tones, especially for Filipino skin tone. So I'm not really sure what shade I should go for first, but I think I'm going to start with the shade 143 because I actually already tried this shade when they launched it yesterday, but I did not try this specific lipstick. I tried the product that they had there, and it's just like a deep raspberry-ish color. I really, really like it. So let's start the review. This is what the lipstick looks like. It's this just like kind of cream shade, and then it just says Sunnie's Face. And then on the bottom, it has a little sticker with the shade of the lipstick that you have. So this is the shade 143, and it has 3.2 grams inside. So, you guys ready? So this is all the product that you're gonna get. It looks so nice, and it actually doesn't smell of anything because some lipsticks, they smell of chemicals. Okay, so this is the shade 143. Next shade is Nudist. Next lip shade is Baked. Next is Vacay. So the shade Vacay is kind of like a papaya orangey shade, and it definitely screams out summer, hence the name Vacay. Now I am going to be trying out the shade Milkshake. For the shade of Milkshake, I think this is definitely their pinkiest shade. It's just a pinky, peachy. I'm not good at explaining colors. We are now down to the last 4 shades. The next shade I'm going to be trying is Girl Crush. Okay, so what I have on my lips right now is the shade Girl Crush, and there's 3 more shades left. The next one is Major. Oh, it's dark. Okay, so I expected this to not go with like my skin tone or my face. Like, it's a dark red shade, okay? I never wear red shades, and I'm surprised that it actually suits me. So second to the last lip shade, this is the shade Mood. We're finally done. I never thought trying out lipsticks could be this tiring. Like, swatching them, taking them out, trying a new one, taking them off, trying a new one. Anyway, whoa, it's definitely a mood. It's definitely dark. Okay guys, so we're finally down to the last lip shade, which I think is the scariest shade to try. First of all, because of the name. The name is Hot Sauce. I don't like hot sauce because it's spicy and I'm not good with spicy stuff. And also because it's probably a bright red, so cross your fingers that I don't get it everywhere on my lips, on my face. So now that I have hot sauce on, I can't actually really remember how bright and red and vivid Major was, but I think when you actually really put it on your lips, it looks very hot sauce-like. Okay, so now I'm going to give my final thoughts and reviews for the Sunnies Face Fluff Matte Lipsticks. So the first one is that they're shades. Oh my god, they have 9 shades and all of them are amazing. It is super duper hard to choose a color like my favorite lip shade. I think all the shades look really nice, and actually surprisingly I'm more of like a nude pink lipstick kind of person, and surprisingly I ended up liking the brighter, more vivid colors. So Fluff Matte lipstick shades will definitely not fail you. Second thing that I want to point out is that they go on super duper smoothly on your lips. I tend to have dry and chapped lips, so I find it hard to find a lipstick that won't emphasize the cracks. So I find that with the Fluff Matte lipsticks, they don't emphasize it as much and they look super smooth and matte. And the last, and I think the best thing about the Fluff Matte lipsticks from Sunnies Face is obviously the price. This retails for 345 pesos each, and you get so much out of that 345. Like everything you ever want in a lipstick is here. What else could you ask for? I think for a lipstick that just does everything for 345. Girl, get your hands on these. I highly recommend it. I don't think there's a lot of cons with this lipstick, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the wheel of Fluff Matte lipsticks. All the shades are incredible and it's super hard to choose a favorite. So I'm gonna choose my top 3, okay? Because guys, it's super duper hard to choose. So I definitely love Major. I know like a lot of people love this shade, and I now know why. It's really good, and it's very ironic because I don't like a lot of bright, vivid red shades, and I ended up liking this one. So that's definitely on the top. I also like a Milkshake because definitely this is my comfort zone. Just a peachy pink, very wearable for every day. So I really like that one. And the last shade that I like is the shade Nudist. This one is a very nude. I've never ever tried a lip shade like this, but whenever I see someone wearing it, I really like how they have it on their lips. So I really like the shades. So those were my top 3. If you guys have tried out the lip shades, or even if you haven't tried them out, just lightly looking at them, which one is your favorite? Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Sunnies Face Fluff Matte Lipstick review. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And also let me know what other videos you guys want to see. As always, just leave in the comments down below and I'll make sure to note them down and probably do a video on that. And also feel free to subscribe. Just click the red button right here in the below and right here in the below. Just somewhere below, and you can be part of our family and you can get notified every time I post if you turn the notif bell on. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay sweet. Bye. But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.